behalf of Ms. Vilma Santos for winning this award, and congratulations to her for making significant impact in the industry. So to the Trinity University of Asia, and as well as to the committee of the Platinum Stallion National Media Awards, thank you.
Actually, ang ganda-ganda niyo po sa mga po si Vilma Santos Recto. Nagpapasalamat po sa buong buo po ng Platinum Stallion National Media Awards sa recognition po na ibinigay po ninyo sa akin bilang Best Film Actress of the Year for my movie Uninvited. To all of you, maraming salamat po. Sorry I couldn't join you tonight. Nagtitintin po kami ngayon sa Batangas within our free campaign. So please do understand that I'm looking forward to seeing all of you soon after the campaign and after the election, and maybe personal po kayong lahat ipasalamatan para po sa ibinigay yung recognition dito. More years, and again, congratulations sa Platinum Stallion National Media Awards. My best wishes in your future undertakings. Mabuhay po kayo at muli maraming salamat. God bless. Congrats!